Very good morning, all of you. Welcome again in GK class with Ojashwini. So, today is 8th June 2020 and day is Monday. And our today's topic is Legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. So, start with introduction. In India, he is officially given the honor of the father of the nation. Every year, his birthday, October 2nd, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. The United Nations General Assembly unanimously adopted a resolution by declaring October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence. In 1999, Time magazine named Gandhiji as the person of the century. In today's world, Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence, truth, and simplicity are remembered by people all over the world. Identify the following statues and monuments and places related to Mahatma Gandhi and write the names of the places where they are located in your GK book, but not as a classwork. Now start. Yes, in your GK book, pictures are given in a short way and not complete pictures are also given. So you can see here the complete picture and the full picture in a big size. So it is close to the place where he studied law. And you have to guess name of this place. And the name is Tavistock Square Garden, London. Listen again. Tavistock Square Garden, London. Now, the next picture. This is the place where he was thrown out from a first class compartment of a train. And name of that place is Pietermaritzburg, South Africa. Yes, you can see the full view of this picture. The next one is a big statue. And it is the place where Indian laws are made. And name of that place is Parliament, New Delhi. Parliament House, New Delhi. Now the next one. Yes. And his wax statue. Yes, this is a statue made by wax. Now you can guess. His wax statue is in this world famous museum. And I know that my every student know the answer. That Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, London. Good. So, a statue of Mahatma Gandhi, this wax statue, is located in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, London. And do you know? This museum started in 1835 by a French woman, Madame Marie Tussauds. If you like this information, I will repeat my words and you will write it. But thoda speed mein. This museum started in 1835 by a French woman, Madame Marie Tussauds. I hope everybody write it. The next one is, it is the monument with Hey Ram, Gandhiji's last word written on it. You can see easily in the black marble, Hey Ram is written. And where this monument is? Yes, your answer is correct if you are saying Rajghat, New Delhi. Exactly. The next one is, look at this picture. and in middle of this picture one pillar is there. So what is written in this pillar, you have to comment me on the comment box. Okay, and name of that place is Martyrs Column, New Delhi. What is the name? Martyrs Column, New Delhi. Look, now it's time to your homework. So complete exercise of chapter 6, Legacy of Mahatma Gandhi in GK book. And as you remember, you are going to complete your homework in GK book. So no need to write the chapter name or chapter number, but must write the date and write your homework in neat and clean handwriting. It should be readable, and the more important thing, your spellings must be correct. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day, guys.